Good afternoon. Welcome back to New Bricks and Brick Machines. This is our client Albert from Guelala, and his brother Ben Hina from Goroka, Eastern Islands. They placed the order for the 2 drops Egland mobile brick machines last year. We have successfully completed 2 drops Egland mobile brick machines. We provide free training on to our client on how to operate the machine and to produce the bricks, which they have successfully gone through the training. They have successfully produced the bricks. So now we want to, the client wants to ship the machine up to Goroka, Eastern Islands province. So we'll ship it to Lae, and from Lae they take it up to Goroka, Eastern Islands to do the production for the bricks. Otherwise, Albert is here with me now to do the boxing, and hopefully by tomorrow they should take the machine down to Bismarck or Concert Shipping for shipment to Lae. Otherwise, thank you, Albert, for your trust to us, New Bricks and Brick Machines.
Thank you, Sam.
We are locally, so trust to us providing any national company to build a mobile brick machine. And we say thank you. And we are looking forward to support you in the production. If any down for the machines, for maintenance, anything like that, you can give us a call. We'll support you for the motor and any advice on maintenance, everything. We will always get in touch with you. So New Bricks and Brick Machines, we say very big thank you to our client Albert from Guelala, Central Province.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sam.